Good morning, students. Welcome to Alchemy Tutorials. Our chapter Components of the Food. Okay. In the previous video, we have discussed about balanced diet. It means that kind of nutrients, all kind of nutrients should be present in that food. Then and then we can say that food is daily basis food is called balanced diet. Okay. Up to this, in this video, we will discuss about if there is less of nutrients, if there is a lack of nutrients in that food, and what kind of diseases will happen to our body, okay, and that may lead to any kind of serious disease. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about different kind of diseases because of, okay, lack of these nutrients. Okay, so let us discuss. If you are a healthy, then what should be, what qualities you should have a, okay. So how do you feel when you are a healthy? Okay, so you should be happy, should energetic. Okay, if you are a healthy, then you should be happy, energetic, enthusiastic. Okay, if you are giving any kind of work to you, any kind of activity, so you should perform well, perfectly. Okay, but the condition is you should have a proper kind of energy, your body does get proper kind of response, then and then you can perform that activity well. Okay, if I said that, if I told you to play on the ground and perform well, then you should have a proper health, you should have a proper energy. Okay, then and then you can perform well. Okay, if you don't have a low energy, okay, you don't have a proper body structure, okay, if you have less grown, okay, then what happens, that you cannot perform well. Okay, so focus on that, how you can be healthy. Okay, so how can you stay healthy? If you eat right, sleep right, and exercise, then and then you can stay healthy. Okay, the focus on the first word. If you eat right, if you eat perfectly, okay, proper food, hygienic food, then and then you can stay healthy. If you sleep right, okay, and do exercise daily basis, okay, these are the three basics that you can stay healthy. Okay, so we'll focus on this in this chapter. What happens if you don't eat right? Okay, what happens if you don't eat right? Okay, your body won't get the right nutrition. Okay, we know that our food gives us, food is the only one source that from that we can get nutrition. Okay, only some sources are there. Okay, from this we can get some kind of nutrition, but most of nutrients we are getting from only for food. Okay, so if we will not get any kind of nutrition, it means we are not eating proper kind of food. So that is called malnutrition or deficiency diseases. Malnutrition meaning, mal meaning bad. Okay, if you are eating bad foods, junk foods, okay, the food from the streets, okay, so that foods are not having any kind of nutrients, less kind of nutrients. Okay, that gives only taste. Okay, so it means that you can get nutrition, but that is bad nutrition. Okay, and that leads to any kind of disease. Second one is deficiency disease. Students, deficiency meaning lack of, okay, less nutrition in that food. Okay, it means that your body cannot get proper nutrition, proper amount of nutrition required. Okay, it means that these diseases are called deficiency diseases. Let us discuss more on that. Okay, deficiencies. A balanced diet contains the right proportion of carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals we have discussed in the previous video. Balanced diet contains proper amount of carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. This all you have to learn properly. Okay, If you don't get the right quantities into your body, then it means you have a deficiency. Okay, students, please mention the meaning of this deficiency. Deficiency meaning less amount. Okay, deficiency meaning lack of amount of nutrition in your body. Okay, just I am giving one example. Okay, if your food doesn't contain any kind of carbohydrates, okay, then what happens? You will have a proper, okay, less amount of energy. Your body cannot get energy. You cannot do any kind of task properly. Okay, because carbohydrates gives us energy. Okay, if your food doesn't have any kind of carbohydrates or less carbohydrates, then what happens? Your body cannot get proper energy and you cannot perform any kind of task properly. Okay, so and that is called deficiency. Okay, deficiency diseases, what are these? Deficiency diseases are called, okay, because disease happens because of deficiency. Disease are called because of deficiency, less amount. Deficiency meaning having less than what is needed. Okay, what amount we required, what amount our body required to our nutritions. Okay, and that amount is less then, and then it is called deficiency. So when the body does not get the nutrition it needs, we have a deficiency. Okay, learn this deficiency meaning. When the body does not get the nutrition amount, okay, it needs, it requires, we have a deficiency. Okay, so these are the deficiency diseases, and many kind of diseases in our body, okay, arises due to this deficiency of nutritions. Okay, if we are eating more and more foods from the outside, okay, from the street foods, okay, then we cannot get proper amount of nutritions. Okay, so let us discuss first protein deficiency. Okay, proteins are needed for growth and repair and the bodybuilding. Okay, first of all we will discuss what do proteins to our body. Proteins are needed for, first of all, mainly growth, repair and bodybuilding. Okay, now what happens if there is a protein deficiency? So, but obviously we cannot grow properly, our body cannot repair properly. We know that there is a certain many time, okay, we will get any kind of injuries any kind of wounds in our body, and that reparation should be there, maintenance should be there. Okay, then if we have a protein deficiency, then we cannot grow properly, so growth doesn't happens well, our body cannot grow properly. Okay, so this should be mentioned. Let us discuss what happens when proteins deficiency happens to our body. Person with a protein deficiency can have stunted growth. Stunted growth meaning height of the children, height of student, any kind of, we have a, which have a protein deficiency cannot grow. Okay, swelling of the face cannot have a proper shape. Okay, discoloration of hair is discoloration means color of the hair cannot be proper black. Okay, skin diseases and diarrhea, this also happens when protein deficiency is there. So it is important to take the right amount of proteins in our daily diet. Okay, so be careful that your food should have a proper amount of proteins. Okay, if you want to get proper amount of proteins in your food, then eat, okay, the food which is cooked in your home only. Okay, your food should have a proper amount of pulses, okay, vegetables, fruits. Okay, these are the materials, these are the foods from which we can get proteins. Okay, if you want to refer more on this topic, then you can refer this sites, applications. Okay. We will discuss in the next video about more deficiencies, okay, of different kind of nutritions and what happens when there is a lack of nutrition in our body. Okay. So up to this we will discuss in the next video about more topics. Up to this, bye.